Hi, my name is Raghavendra. I work as a technology evangelist for Intel. Today I'm going to demonstrate an application that I have developed using Galileo Generation 2 board. What I have done here is I have used one of the RC card and removed all the components with respect to the board or whatever that is there in the car, and replaced that with a Galileo board which also connected over Wi-Fi. And I have also replaced their motor driver with my own motor driver. What I am doing here is I have a tablet and I have an Android application running here. If you look at this is the Android application that I have developed. Very basic, very simple. All it does is, like, there's a forward and a backward button. If I press forward, it will go forward, and if I press backward, it will come back. And this is the IP address. So from where I'm getting this IP address? It's quite simple, right? Here, if you see the board, there is a SD card. I'm using Yocto Linux distribution, the SD card image that is available on the makers community. I'm using that, and that this board is now booted with that particular SD card. So since it is booted with that SD card, there is an option to enable tethering on the Wi-Fi network. Okay, so that means this board is working as a network hub for me. So to this hub, I have connected my tablet. If you see here, you can see it is connected to Galileo Gen 2, and this is exactly the Galileo Gen 2 that I have. Now what I can do is, using this, I can control two things. One is forward backward movement, to turn left and right. If you see that, I'm using accelerometer to control the movement. Okay, let's look at this simple thing. Okay, it's stuck over there. Let's see if I can get it out. Okay, so what I have to do is, like, it's got stuck over there. I still have to practice a lot to make it work completely. You see here, I'm controlling the whole movement through the board, right? So primarily what is happening behind the scene, it's quite simple. I have a nodejs socket server running over there using the net module, and this Android app is connected to that socket server, and on each movement it's actually sending those messages like move left or move right, forward, backward, and stuff like that. Pretty simple, a fun kind of application that we have developed, and that's all it is. So that's all I wanted to share. Thank you very much.